Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. I have a scooter. My scooter is red. The scooter is new. Do you like scooters? She rides a scooter. He wants a scooter. This scooter is fast. The scooter is small. I ride my scooter daily. My brother has a scooter. And the scooter is not expensive. Can you ride a scooter? We see many scooters here. The blue scooter is nice. She rides to work. I ride to school. The scooter has two wheels. My scooter is very old. He rides his scooter fast. Do you have a scooter? The scooter needs a battery. I charge my scooter daily. She bought a new scooter. The scooter is in the garage. We ride scooters together. His scooter is very clean. I clean my scooter weekly. The scooter has a light. Can she ride your scooter? They sell scooters here. I want to buy a scooter. The scooter shop is open. How much is that scooter? This scooter costs $300. My scooter has a basket. I put my bag inside. The basket is very useful. She carries her books there. Do you wear a helmet? I always wear my helmet. Safety is very important. He wears his helmet daily. The helmet is black. My helmet protects my head. We should ride carefully. I ride on the sidewalk. She rides in the park. The park is very beautiful. Many people ride scooters there. Do you ride in parks? I rode my scooter yesterday. She will ride tomorrow morning. He is riding his scooter now. We are going to the store. They ride scooters every weekend. The scooter is easy to use. Children like to ride scooters. My son has a small scooter. His scooter is green and yellow. The wheels are made of rubber. I need to check the tires. The tire is flat today. Can you fix a flat tire? He will fix it tomorrow. The repair shop is nearby. I take my scooter there. The mechanic is very helpful. He fixes scooters every day. The repair costs $20. My scooter works perfectly now. I ride to the supermarket. She rides to her friend's house. The scooter saves time for me. I don't need a car today. Scooters are good for short trips. He rides 5 kilometers daily. The battery lasts 3 hours. I need to charge it tonight. Where is the charging station? The station is near my house. Electric scooters are very popular now. Many cities have scooter rentals. You can rent one easily. I rented a scooter last week. The rental price was $10. We rode around the city together. It was a fun experience. Do you prefer walking or riding? I prefer riding my scooter. It is faster than walking. My scooter has a phone holder. I can see the map clearly. The holder is very stable. She uses GPS on her phone. We never get lost this way. The scooter can go uphill easily. I ride up the hill daily. He goes down the hill carefully. Going downhill is very exciting. You should control your speed well. I ride my scooter to work every morning. The journey takes about 15 minutes. She enjoys riding in the fresh air. We don't ride when it is raining. The scooter is not good in rain. I keep my scooter dry and clean. He stores his scooter inside the house. Do you have space for a scooter? My apartment has a small storage room. The scooter fits there perfectly well. I will buy a new scooter next month. She is saving money for a scooter. The new models are very advanced now. They have better batteries than before. Some scooters can go very fast. The maximum speed is 30 kilometers per hour. I don't ride that fast usually. Safety is more important than speed. My friend fell from his scooter yesterday. He was riding too fast at that time. Fortunately, he was wearing his helmet. He only had small cuts on his hands. I always tell people to ride carefully. Children should ride with adult supervision. My daughter is learning to ride now. She practices in the park every weekend. I hold the scooter while she learns. She is getting better each day. Soon she will ride by herself. I am very proud of her progress. Do you know how to ride a scooter? It is not difficult to learn at all. You can learn in 1 or 2 days. The most important thing is balance. You need to keep your body steady. Push with one foot to start moving. Then put both feet on the scooter. Steer with the handlebars carefully. Use the brake to stop the scooter. Practice makes you better every time. I love riding my scooter in summer. The weather is perfect for riding outside. In winter, I don't ride very much. The roads can be icy and dangerous. She rides her scooter all year long. He doesn't mind the cold weather much. I prefer to stay warm inside. We will ride together when spring comes. The city is building new scooter paths now. These paths make riding much safer for everyone. I am happy about these new changes. More people are using scooters these days. It is good for the environment too. Scooters don't produce pollution like cars do. Electric scooters are very quiet when running. My neighbors don't complain about the noise. I can ride early in the morning. Some people ride scooters to the gym. Others ride them just for fun and exercise. My scooter helps me stay active daily. I feel healthier since I started riding. Do you think scooters are good exercise? They are better than sitting in a car. You use your legs and core muscles. Balance training is good for your body. I recommend scooters to all my friends. Many of them have bought scooters now. We sometimes ride together on weekends. There is a nice path by the river. We ride there and enjoy the scenery. It takes us about 1 hour total. And then we stop for coffee at a cafe. The cafe has a scooter parking area. We can leave our scooters there safely. I never worry about theft in this area. But I always use a lock anyway. My scooter lock is strong and secure. Security is important for expensive items like this. A good scooter can cost several $100s. You should protect your investment carefully. I maintain my scooter regularly every month. I check the brakes and wheels carefully. The handlebars need to be tight and stable. Sometimes I need to tighten the screws. A well-maintained scooter lasts many years. My old scooter lasted for 5 years. I gave it to my nephew eventually. He still rides it to school daily. Good quality scooters are worth the money. I will never stop riding my scooter. It brings me joy and freedom every day. I can go anywhere I want quickly. Traffic doesn't bother me anymore at all. I just ride past all the cars. Scooters are perfect for city life today. I think everyone should try riding one. You might discover a new hobby. Riding scooters is fun for all ages. My whole family enjoys riding together now. We will continue riding scooters for years. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.